If you are looking for an easy to use, lightweight, multiple attachment holding phone holder for anything you want to do, let's say you want lights up here, this is the product for you. This is the Joby GorillaPod. It's with the mobile arms here, and this thing is fantastic. First off, you get a base that has these three kind of articulating ball joint Joby attachments here. These things are incredible, and then these side arms, they can actually come off here, so if you don't want to use these at all, you can unscrew these guys. They've got the 1/4-inch threads on the top and the bottom of them, and then you have the phone holder here, and the phone holder, it tips right here. You can screw stuff in. This is a 1/4-inch threads right there, and then if you want to tip your phone sideways, so you want vertical, you can do that. It accommodates a wide phone. You can go like this if you want horizontal. It accommodates a phone there. Then you have a cold shoe at the top. It comes with a cold shoe attachment right here, and then it also comes with kind of a action camera attachment, but also this could be used for something else. So you could have like 2 lights on this thing and hold it, and it's fairly lightweight. Even with all of the attachments, this thing is fairly lightweight, and this guy tightens down really well. In fact, I have a second one, and this whole assembly up here is what's holding this camera that I'm filming on right now. So it works amazingly well, and I highly recommend this.